Αγαπητέ φόβε, φοβάμαι το αεροπλάνο, φοβάμαι το σκοτάδι και θα ανοίξω τα φώτα.
My dearest shadow, I know you were born to save me. But now your weight is making me crash, because as long as you're here, no matter where I go, no matter what I do, it's always painful blue. Dear Shadow, I truly hope one day you will disappear. But before that, I hope we will have a chance to talk and say goodbye in a pleasant way. Even though you frighten me, you take away my sleep, my voice, my breath. I embrace you with my body and soul. I hope you will teach me what I need to learn and gently float away when the time comes. Questioning?
Dancing with my shadow. Finding the light in the darkness.
A reflection of my body, of frailty and fears. You are the unseen, unwitting playmate of mine. That's how I choose to see you, perhaps the only way to fear you less, my dearest shadow.
Φίλια, αεροπλάνο, ευνηδιασμός, ξεκούραση, πάρτι.
I feel like a light switch flipping on and off. Today I am bright, full of passion and mind, but tomorrow I will wake up to self-destruct and set fire to my life, but I survive.